Hello everyone. Before going ahead, let me wish you all a happy yoga day. So, what's yoga? The word yoga derives from Sanskrit and means to join or unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, and to the self. Its aim is to purify our mind, body, and soul. It maintains a connection between ourselves and the Mother Nature. It's a very old practice. The first International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2015 across the world with a lot of zeal and enthusiasm. This year, International Yoga Day will be celebrated on the theme Yoga for Well-being. Yoga itself plays a significant role in boosting our immunity and leading a disease-free lifestyle. The International Yoga Day aims to raise awareness worldwide of the many benefits of practicing yoga. It's about the shaping of our life. It's not a workout, but a work in. This is a spiritual practice. My dear teachers and students, our soul is our best friend. We should treat it with care and feed it with love. Make yoga a part of your life. Live it and enjoy your life. So let's participate together in the World Yoga Day to celebrate an ancient and traditional practice that retains global importance even in modern times. Thank you.
Warming up, stretch your legs apart at the shoulder distance. Hands on your waist. Let's start with neck exercises. Neck up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side bending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now shoulder rotation. Keep your palms on shoulder and rotate from front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, reverse, 2, 3, 4. Now side bending. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up. Now next, forward back. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up. Now next, side twisting. Left side first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now next, leg stretch. Left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the same leg, forward cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the same leg, backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with another leg, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next, forward cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next, backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it down. Now relax your hands, relax your legs.
Get ready for Tadasana. 1. Raise your left hand. 2. Raise your right hand. 3. Lift both arms upward and join your palm. 4. Interlock your fingers. Stretch your leg and stand on your toes. Hold this position for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Rest your heels on the mat. Unlock your fingers. 3. Bring your both arms at shoulder level. 2. Bring your left hand down. 1. Bring your right hand down. Get ready for Ardha Chakrasana. 1. Stretch your leg apart, keeping a shoulder level distance between your feet. 2. Raise both arms at shoulder level. 3. Keep your both palms on lower back at your waist. 4. Bend your upper body backward from waist and hold this position for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Bring your upper body back to its straight position. 3. Move both the hands from your waist back to shoulder level. 2. Rest your hands down. 1. Join your leg and come back to original position.
Get ready for Vakrasana. Sit on the mat with your spine straight and keep legs straight in front. 1. Bend your left leg across the right thigh. 2. Rest your left palm backward. 3. Place your right hand across the left knee touching the left ankle. 4. Twist the body and neck to the left and hold this posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Turn your head in front. 3. Take your right hand to its original position. 2. Bring left hand on side. 1. Stretch left leg in front. We will do Vakrasana from left side. 1. Bend your right leg across the left thigh. 2. Rest your right palm backward. 3. Place your left hand across the right knee touching the right ankle. 4. twist the body and neck to the left. Hold this posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Turn your head in front. 3. Take your left hand to its original position. 2. Bring right hand on side. 1. Stretch right leg in front. Get ready for Ardha Ustrasana. 1. Kneel down on your knees. 2. Raise both the hands at shoulder level. 3. Keep the palm on lower back waist. 4. Bend the upper body backward. Hold this posture for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Bring the upper body back to straight position. 3. Bring the arms at shoulder level. 2. Rest both the hands down on thighs. 1. Stand back to original position.
Get ready for Bhujangasana. Sit on the mat with your spine straight and keep legs straight in front. 1. Fold your legs and sit in Vajrasana position. 2. Touch the palms on the floor and move the legs behind, forming a table pose. 3. Bring your upper body down. Lie on stomach, touching the chin on the floor. 4. Slowly lift your chest and look upward. Hold this position for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Gently lower your chest and touch the chin to mat. 3. Come back to the table pose. 2. Sit in Vajrasana. 1. Stretch your leg forward and sit straight. Get ready for Setu Bandhasana. Initial position. Sit on the mat with legs in front and hands on side touching the floor. 1. Lie down on your back and spread both arms. 2. Bend both the knees. 3. Hold both the ankle with your respective hands. 4. Raise your hip upward, keeping the shoulder and neck touching to the floor. Don't put so much pressure on your neck. Hold this position till 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Bring the hip and back down touching the floor. 3. Leave the ankle and spread both the hands on side. 2. Keep the legs straight. 1. Sit back to original position.
Get ready for pranayam. Sit in Padmasana position. If you are not comfortable, you can sit in Sukhasana position. Just cross your leg and sit. We will use thumb and index finger of right hand as a grip to do pranayam. Place thumb on right nostril and inhale deeply through the left nostril. Place index finger on left nostril as you release the right nostril. Exhale slowly through your right nostril, keeping the left nostril closed, and inhale deeply through your right nostril. Now close your right nostril again with your thumb and release the left nostril. Exhale slowly through your left nostril, keeping the right nostril closed, and inhale deeply through your left nostril. Place your index finger on left nostril as you release the right nostril and exhale slowly through your right nostril. Keep your hand down. Stretch both the leg in front and relax. Now we will see Bhramari Pranayam. This pranayam you can perform in Padmasana or in Sukhasana. We will sit in Sukhasana position. Place your index finger on forehead softly. Then middle finger on your eyes. Ring finger on your nostrils. And then little finger on corner of the lips. Then put thumbs on your ears. Place all the fingers softly. Breathe in through your nose softly and deeply, and then exhale, making the soft sound of hummingly from back of our throat, like inhale, feel the vibrations. Hands down and raise. Relax. Get ready for pledge. I commit myself to remain in a balanced state of mind all the time. It is in this state that my development reaches its greatest possibility. I commit to do my duty to self, family, at work, to society and to the world for the promotion of peace, health and harmony.